Okay, you guys know what time it is when I pull out this green chalkboard. Dating tips and tricks. How to showcase your best personality on dating apps. This one is ridiculously dusty, so if you have asthma, emphysema, or bronchitis, I suggest you scroll away. Let's start it off with Terrell. He's 49. He says, "Hi, I'm Terrell. I own a private IT firm. I love to travel to exotic places, Belize, Cambodia, etc. I love to cook. Please don't be ghetto, hood, or wear bonnets in public. I like a woman who speaks intelligible. My mother always told me just because we're from the neighborhood doesn't mean we have to act or speak like it. I've been happily single for 9 years, so I'm not looking for entanglements or anything of that sort. I've been told I'm too discerning. Oh well." This is Terrell, y'all. This is Terrell. Take it in. A man who does not want anybody that's too ghetto, too hood, or wear bonnets. Just keep it intelligible, please, for Terrell. Take it all in. This is also Terrell showing us how he gets down in this big kitchen. Yes, he says he's an owner of an IT firm, but he looks like he's getting down in somebody's kitchen. So maybe he's just very versatile. If you think that you match up well with this 6'9", 6'0", 49-year-old Terrell, and you can, speak intelligible, and you want to go places like Belize or Cambodia, let me know what you think. Or is this I'll pass type of thing? Now we have Wes. Y'all, listen to this. 38. Wes is 38, divorced dad of one, lost everything, and I'm rebuilding. No car, and my family all lives together. As of now, I don't have much to offer other than my great personality and okay looks. I understand I'm probably no one's cup of tea right now, and I get it. So I'm really open as to what I'm looking for. I'm a nerd. Anime, video games, and all of that. If you're not trying to link up to see if we vibe, what's the point? I'm an open book. Ask and I'll answer. This is Wes, a man with okay looks but a great personality. That is probably no one's cup of tea. Are you connecting? Are you swiping right or left? Please let me know. With a profile that engages you so well, I don't understand why no one would try to link up. He does use punctuation in full sentences. So, yes, let's go. Yay. But I do not think that this profile is going to do what he really came to do. But you guys let me know in the comments. Okay. Now we have Anthony, who's 38. Y'all, Anthony. Okay, let's read this bio. Where are all the real women who actually want a real relationship with a man who is actually going to love you, cherish you, respect you, and treat you like a queen? I'm tired of the fake ish I hear on here. Y'all expect too much from men, and y'all women are so high maintenance. You say you want a man who's going to love you. Respect, you be there for you and all this good stuff, but if you don't come with a mansion, 5 cars, and can wine and dine, you can't talk to him. Y'all can't even exchange numbers. The F. He's 5'10". He says that he is self-employed. He smokes often and has kids. He does not appreciate punctuation at all. He is in Philly, y'all. This is Anthony. Look at his little goodie bag over there. This is Anthony. And this is the picture that he put on his bio. Please help me understand what is the purpose of putting, maybe it draws somebody in. The realness, the real Anthony, who's 38. I think I'll just read you guys the bio one more time just so you get it. Where are all the real women who actually want a real relationship with a man who's actually going to love you, cherish you, respect you, and treat you like a queen? I'm tired of the fake ish I hear on here. Y'all expect too much from men, and y'all women are so high maintenance. You say you want a man who's going to love you, respect you, be there for you, and all this good stuff. But if you don't come with a mansion, 5 cars, and can wine and dine, you can't talk to him. Y'all can't even exchange numbers. The F. Okay, so what do you say to all of that? Do you agree? Do you understand? Could you translate that? Let me know. Are you going to give Anthony a chance if he was in your area? Philadelphia. He's 5'10". He does have kids and he smokes often. Okay, so this is Everett, who's 29. He says, don't really be on like that, but I'm pretty much a laid back type of guy. 420 friendly. Rudeness is my deal breaker. If someone's spoken to you, if I'm not your type, baby girl, move on. There's plenty of fish in the sea. LOL. Hashtag long live the guys. And rest of the fallen soldiers in my hood. I'm a Cancer, and by the way, I love me a cute BBW, slim, thick, and all of the above. Hashtag single life and looking for you. Ask for more, and then the looking emojis. He's 5'6". He's in Philly, looking for someone to chat, some friendship, something casual. All right. Now, this man does not like spelling you, a 3-letter word with all 3 letters, because he just keeps using YU, and that's annoying. And he does not like punctuation. He does like emojis more than punctuation. Let's see what Everett, who's 29, let's see what he looks like. Everett, who's 29, giving us a view of the neighborhood, and he he sent someone a message saying, "Good morning to you, and how you feeling this morning, if you don't mind me asking you." He is highlighting that he spells you, YU, and he used it 3 different times to respond to this lady. And I am really kind of annoyed with this. I'm annoyed with this picture. I'm annoyed with this bio. I'm annoyed with the fact that he does not like punctuation. He's 5'6" in Philly. Y'all go ahead and weigh in. I told y'all, they don't even be trying no more. This is Sean. He's 27. All he typed was, the loyalty and trust have to be there. And look at how he spelled there. He's 5'9". He's in Philly as well. He's a transport driver and he occasionally smokes. Please explain this outfit. Please explain. He's showing some of his belly, but his shirt is long enough to pull down. He has a Bel Air bottle in his hand. He's looking down as if he's about to spit a hot verse into this Bel Air bottle, showing his underwear. This is terrible. Like, at this point, they are just not trying at all. Another picture. Someone said that this bottom picture looks like a proof of life picture. Why are they posting these pictures to their bio on a dating profile? Like, these are some terrible, terrible pictures. And, this is perfect. Just leave it like this. Nobody should want this at all. This is terrible. And I'm going to end with Rock, who's 48. Don't hit me up if you're not serious, you're not trying to really get to know each other or not trying to meet. Don't hit me up. Simple, please, especially the one I hit you up, and don't say nothing like, I'm on your time. Learn how to talk to a man and know what you want instead of just talking. All right? You got that? Rock, who's 48. He's 5'9". He smokes often, and he's in New Jersey. Rock, 48, in New Jersey. Doesn't like punctuation. Rock. Another picture. Got a drink. And y'all know I love me some run-on sentences, so I'm going to say this one more time. Don't hit me up if you're not serious, you're not trying to really get to know each other or not trying to meet. Don't hit me up. Simple, please, especially the one I hit up, and don't say nothing like, I'm on your time. Learn how to talk to a man and know what you want instead of just talking. Okay, you got that? I told y'all, this was an especially terrible, terrible crop of profile pictures. They seem to be getting worse and worse. It's getting worser and worser. And at this point, if you're on dating sites, I'm sure you're just on there to laugh because this is just terrible. Y'all go ahead and weigh in. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, share.